Now the Alert Day forecast from the WGAL News 8 Storm Team.
Almost the entire Susquehanna Valley right now seeing moderate to heavy snow across the area, and that's what will continue through the afternoon, especially as this sleet starts to mix in and that sleet line lifts farther north. It could get as high north as I-81 later this afternoon into the evening. So that's where we're going to start to see the icy mix in our southern counties first. Right now it's mainly snow across areas north of the PA Turnpike. So this is what we like to look at. It's called the correlation coefficient, and it can tell us the difference between a snowflake and a sleet pellet. So when you see the oranges and yellows here, that's the difference showing up in our southern counties. So sleet is mixing in with the snow, and we can see that all the way through York and Lancaster counties. That icy mix starting to develop right now, mixing with snow. But I do think sleet will become the primary precipitation type as we head into the afternoon, especially south and east of 81. So north of there, we have 12 to 18 inches, south 8 to 12 with the sleet on top of it. In some spots, you could get a coating to as much as 2 inches of sleet by the time it's all said and done. So here's our Alert Day forecast. We have widespread snow, heavy at times this morning, steady snow as we head into the afternoon, and that sleet transition, especially in southern counties, all the way up to 81. For the evening, I do think all precipitation starts to taper. We'll start to see the intensity drop, and then it's out of here overnight by midnight. Tonight, temperatures, they're going to hold steady. They'll be in the teens. Winds will be light. But tomorrow, the wind picks up as this system pulls off the east coast. So the wind is going to pick up out of the northwest, could gust to 40 miles per hour. And that is certainly going to make it feel cold, like the single digits. And we also have to deal with blowing and drifting snow. So that's why tomorrow is an alert day. The snow is incredibly powdery. It will easily blow, and it could cause major problems on our roads. Here's our currents. Temperatures are around 10-11 degrees across much of the area. Add in a 5 to 15 mile per hour breeze, and this is how cold it feels. Feels like 5 below zero in Lancaster, so please make sure all of your exposed skin is covered as you go out to shovel. Right now, if you take a look at the entire storm, half of the eastern part of the country here is covered with snow, sleet, freezing rain or rain from this entire winter storm. And in Pennsylvania, every county is under a winter storm warning. Sleet line, at least all sleet, starts to creep north as we head into the afternoon. We should see that across our southern counties this afternoon and this evening. Then all the precipitation gradually tapers. We get a little bit of drier air in here, and that will help to shut things off. As we head into tomorrow, the big story then becomes the wind. And for all of the effects after the storm, let's check in with Mary Ellen now.
All right, thanks a lot, Christina. The winds are going to increase on Monday, and that's going to pose some problems for us. You see winds out of the northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour, and gusts could get up to close to 40 miles per hour. And that will cause some blowing and drifting of the snow. And as Christine just mentioned, it's very light and will easily cause some issues as it blows across some of those rural roads, especially. That's where we could see some dangerous conditions, and that's why we've made it an alert day. Now, the impacts continue for the rest of the week into, or at least into Friday, because of the frigid air mass that's going to stick around. We're talking sub-zero wind chills in the overnight periods through Friday night. So here's a look at the winds for tomorrow. They will be increasing to 30 to 35 miles per hour, and then eventually to 40 miles per hour as we head into the afternoon tomorrow. And then the winds will finally subside as we get through those evening hours. But it has an impact on how it feels. Temperatures will climb into the low 20s, but it's going to feel like the single digits because of those winds. Temperatures, these are low temperatures, forecasted low temperatures down to 0 Monday and Tuesday, single digits through Friday. However, with the winds, especially the first couple of days, we're talking sub-zero readings. The coldest probably in the early week, still some sub-zero readings all the way through the end of the week. And then heading into the weekend, we'll start to see temperatures coming up a little bit, but still running well below average. Some snow showers possible on Tuesday. Otherwise, thankfully, no real snowstorm in the near future. As we head towards the weekend, we're looking at partly sunny skies, blustery conditions, but temperatures are in the mid to upper 20s, and some snow chances may move in as we head towards Tuesday. Here's the latest on the road conditions with